Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel will bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about how to fix an Android phone button not working. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. Has anyone encountered the problem of buttons not working on an Android phone? The buttons either don't respond or have a delay of more than 30 seconds. Sometimes they work for a while, but then the problem inexplicably reappears. I hope someone can tell me how to fix Android phone buttons not working. We understand you might be facing the same problems. Don't panic if your Android phone buttons stop working when plugged in. We'll explain why and how to fix this issue by turning the device back on. Cause 1. Button stuck. The solution is to check the button. When Android phone buttons stop working, the first thing to check is whether they are stuck by foreign objects. If there are scraps of paper, lint, or other foreign objects around the button, these can cause it to become stuck and prevent it from pressing properly. Therefore, please check the area around the button for any foreign objects and clean it. Cause 2. Temporary malfunction. The solution is to restart. Temporary malfunctions within the Android phone can also cause buttons to stop working. To clear these temporary malfunctions, you can try restarting your phone. Restarting your phone will allow your Android device to function optimally. Here are the steps to restart your Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then tap the restart icon or button. Your Android phone will automatically restart to the home screen. Alternatively, you can find the power off icon or button on the restart screen, turn off your Android phone, wait about a minute, and then turn it on again. If it's a temporary problem, restarting your phone can help resolve the phone keys are not working issue. Cause 3. Third-party app conflict. The solution is to access safe mode. Various problems can occur when third-party applications conflict with Android devices, and the phone buttons not working problem on Android is one of them. If you're unsure whether a third-party application is causing the issue, you need to access your Android device's safe mode to test if your Android phone is working properly. Next, let's try booting your Android phone into safe mode together. Turn off your Android phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button until recovery mode appears. In the menu options, use the volume buttons and power button to select safe mode. Your Android phone will then boot into safe mode. If the safe mode information is displayed at the bottom of the screen, and your Android phone functions normally in safe mode, the Android phone keys not working issue is caused by a specific application. To resolve the button malfunction, locate the application causing the Android phone's power or volume buttons to malfunction and delete it. Afterward, press and hold the power button and tap the reboot button to restart your phone in normal mode. After rebooting, check if your Android phone is working normally. Cause 4. Other issues. The solution is to return to factory settings. A factory reset can resolve software-related issues, but this will erase all data and require you to reconfigure your Android phone. Therefore, if you need any data on your phone, please back it up before performing a factory reset, otherwise, all data will be lost. Next, follow these steps to reset your Android device. Open your phone's settings, scroll down to find and select System and Updates, select Reset on the new screen, and finally select Reset Phone. After the reset is complete, your Android device may ask you to reactivate your phone. Follow the prompts. Finally, the Android phone buttons won't work issue should be resolved. Cause 5. Water ingress short circuit. The solution is to leave the phone unattended. If your phone has fallen into water or water has entered it, even if your Android device is waterproof, this issue should not be ignored. If water has caused a short circuit, you need to leave the phone in a dry place for at least 24 hours before trying to turn it on. This should fix the Android phone buttons not responding problem. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android phone button stuck properly, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.